So I'm planning on stealing some food and making some breakfast for myself, which is gonna be really tasty. Here we go. Oh, welcome to my crib. Let's do this.
Bro, we're lazy.
All right, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Gotta stay quiet, gotta stay quiet.
That's so fun. This is a good one.
This is definitely everyone's room.
Good one.
I'm realizing if they see me with the ski mask, they'll probably think they're getting robbed. I can hear something down the hall. Alright, I think everyone's asleep. I'm gonna loot their fridge. I think I'm gonna leave this giant camera here. It's too sus, bro. It's too sus.